Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing these things. Pile them up here. It's because I want to do a video where I recover gold from gold pins. I'll be doing it in a couple of days. From a load of all sorts of things. Just as like a bit of a preview, I'll just show you. We've got loads of boards like this. All gold pins, they'll be refined as they are. All of them will be going in. And then we've also got a mixture. So at the top we've got these nice little cards, and we've got two of those. So it's actually mostly just pins and pinless CPUs. We've got IDE there. Got loads of these IDE slots. But as you dig down, it's mostly just little pins. Probably over half the weight of this is pins, gold plated pins. A couple of pins I quickly done. We'll also do the pins on these and the ceramic CPU. I've done all my ceramic CPUs, but I missed this one, so I chucked that in with it. And then also we'll be doing those couple of nice fully plated pins. We'll throw them in. Hopefully get a few grams of gold. It's only going to be a quite small refine. Oh, and it's also got loads of gold fingers in. It won't be a massive refine, but it'd be good for a one mixed thing together. Where's my... I'll pause the video and get my tools. Right, so we'll be using this. I might as well get a little pot to stick the pins in, just so we can see what we've done. Little pot. So we'll start with this one. Oh, it's already peeled off a little bit. That's all I'm going to do. Rip them off. Pins don't want to come off. We'll do these break off at the end. I think most of the pins is out of that. Oh no, it's not. We'll see at the end. Right, so we'll get going properly now. And that one actually broke. This particular one is a bit rubbish to be honest, but the other one should be pretty good. So we've got them. We'll go for the rest. Do the same. So these just slot out nice and easy. Just want to show you something a sec when I get this off. The pins on these are nice, but they're only like plated near the ends. These are nice because they're fully plated throughout, and they can be extra long as well. They'll be longer than those ones, because for some reason the fully plated ones like to be a little bit longer, which is always nice. So we'll just get them all off first. The plastic's going straight in the bin. It'll be recycled. Underneath these, if you wanted to go all out, is I probably might do one day. I just pour one out. You can see it's just tin plated copper, so nice and easy just to pull out. These are fully plated as well. Normally they are fully plated in these, on these types of things, but the actual rj45 connectors, which are what these are, on motherboards you normally find, are quite rarely fully plated. They're normally just near the ends or half plated. They're always decent pins though. You'll never get bad pins from them. They're one of my favourite ones just because they're nice and quick to do as well. This one has like a little plastic shield over. Been held down by some tin plated copper legs holding them in. It's quite hard to get out. Oh, there you go, shield's out, so it should just come off. Hey. These are fully plated as well. West side. I always go from the opposite side, so you can see the gold pins in the bottom part, so I hold it from the top and just bend it back. Slips them off. Slips the outside plastic off. Nobody needs plastic things. Ah, comes off quite quick at that time. Okay, all off. Nice pins, some of these, you can tell. Probably going to be a few grams of gold per kilo. Hopefully get like 50 grams of pins here. And chuck that in with my other stuff today. I'll show the whole refining process on all my stuff put together. So it'll be refined to PR. I don't like them when they got these plastic shields. Because pins take a while, I don't really like doing pins. I normally leave ones I can in plastic still and refine them like that, just because it saves time. So like IDE pins, like the typical IDE you'll find, I'll just stick in like that and you can see the nice gold plated pins in. I'll refine like that, and then when you slosh them about in the acid, the pins will fall out, well the gold foils will, and then you can just scoop the plastic out like you would with gold fingers. Nice and easy. These are nice, you can tell, gold plating coming off the back. So these are fully plated as well. This one was already half off, so it's not going to snap off like the rest. I might go to, yeah, drag the plastic out so just use the pins. Oh, they're all going to do it. This is the last one I need to remove the plastic off, by the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for any future videos, and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when I upload. So now we'll just fill this pot up with these pins. So we'll just get the pin and just bend back and forward. And as you can see, got them there. It's going to be one of the best pins you'll find on a motherboard. With IDE as well is also one of the best. Just on a typical standard board you'll find these connectors, and obviously you're not going to get a whole thing with loads of them, you'll just get one single connector. You can see we've got loads from that. Just on the one connector we've got a nice little handful. So now we'll just bend these pins back a little bit. Start from this side actually. Not much of a gap, so it's going to be quite hard, but I'll just hold the plastic and pull upwards, and then pulls the plastic out, and we've still got the pins there. And if you do it right, the pins won't unconnect. As you can see, they're still all there. Pull it back. So you kind of like curve it around the outside of the board backwards like that, tilt it back, and just tilt it back, it comes off. There you go, nice gold plate pins again, fully plated. And once again, tilt back and forward until they drop off. It goes into the pot. On the board these don't actually look as nice as the other ones, but no, I just put them with them. They're the exact same looking. But these should be decently thick pins. They won't be massively thick, but they're also thin, just a thin pin, so the actual gold plating doesn't need to be thick, because a kilo of these is less base metal it's going to be. Obviously if you get a fat pin, less surface area is going to be plated in gold. If you get a kilo of them, than surface area on pins like these. One of them just flew off. There it is. Last one on here. I thought this would be quite a quick video, but it seems to be taking some time. So bend these pins back a little bit. And then just hold the plastic. One of the pins stayed in there then, so just pull that out. Only half the pin stayed in. That happens sometimes, it's nice and easy just to drag out anyway. Oh, there's a few stayed out as well. I think this connector is going to be one where the pins are quite loose. That was alright. Again. It's only ever half one, just a little bit of it stays in. All of them again, so we'll just snap them off. Another one done. Got a fair few now. Same again. So this time they're a little bit different. Pins go back behind. These are only half plated, as you can see. Pull the pins back on this one and hold the plastic and pull the plastic back. We've got all them. Going to ruin the look of these pins now. You can see some silvery metal mixed in. Seeing as it's only half plated, I can leave the bottom parts of the pins off, so I can just yank them off like this. It's not the whole pin will come off, but the part left will just be the nickel plated copper, as you can see. These are nice, probably going to be the nicest ones out of all of them. What's going to be the hardest to get? I'm holding it from the sides. It's pulling off. There you go. It seemed to look the nicest. Not too to stay down. Nice gold pins left. Kind of get stabbed by these pins, they're quite sharp. I had to go and sort my dog out. Keeps barking. I played catch for him and now I've got mud all over my hands. Nice pins. Another one done. Just got 6 left. Oh, this can be one which is only, these are only half plated up to here. That's that level, so I'm just going to snap them off like that. Bend the ends off. No gold past the plastic part. So that's another one done. 5 left, we'll do these 2. Which broke. Oh, this one's stuck in so well. There we go. Get it out. This was part of the one which is only plated to the tips, so I've only just got to snap the ends off. I'm just going to get all the plastic off them all first and then just do it all at the end. I'll just do the bottom part for now. That's all the plastic off. Do all the plastic in the mold first. I only half plated these ones, but they seem to be quite quick, so it must be quite decent. For the time it takes. Plastic off that one. Always looks cool, the fully plated ones. Real nice looking. Nice fully plated pins, just 2 more to take the plastics off and then we'll do all the pins. And the pins that pull the plastic up and just pull out. Nice and quick. All the plastic off that, and this is the last one which doesn't have the plastic removed. And it's only plated up to the plastic piece again, so we just snap the pins off. We don't need to remove the plastic of these. It's the exact same as the other one, which is only plated up to the plastic. That done? Here's my side cutters. These are only half plated as well, so it doesn't matter if it leaves any pin behind, because it's only be leaving the rubbish part. There's a pin keeps flying off. Another one done. These aren't plated on the ends either, they're only plated in the middle part, which is real bad, but it's still gold. Another one done. 2 last ones are just fully plated pins, so I do these by hand. pen back and forward. Oh, I forgot the camera's lower down. Wow, the video's 30 minutes already. I thought it'd only be a quick 10-minute one. Right near the end of it anyway now. Piece of plastic there, or a leaf. It's good timing because my battery's about to go on the camera. It's done. It's all done now. These are the pins we got. Nice handful there. Quite a fair few, probably 30 or 40 grams there. Pins. Oh, and there's a pin there. This is our pot which we'll be refining all the stuff off soon. We'll just chuck it in there. And that'll go in with the rest of the pins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification next to the subscribe button to get a notification for my future videos. Yeah, anyway, thanks. Don't forget to comment any ideas you have as well for the channel, and it'll help out a lot. So if you like future videos you want me to make, thank you, bye.